Hi, I'm Matthew Ide. I'm the Executive Director of Energy and Financial Markets for the Massachusetts Municipal Wholesale Electric Company. We're a joint action agency located in the Commonwealth of Massachusetts, and we serve approximately 40 municipal light plants throughout the Commonwealth in a variety of services, from power supply to actually running generating assets. In 2016, MMWEC embarked on an Emerging Technologies initiative. This was a direct result of the many changes that are happening in the marketplace affecting our municipal light plants and their customers. This actually created an opportunity where MMWEC could combine a lot of the technology to improve environmental aspects of our power supply and our power generation, and also provide economic benefit to the municipal light plants. The combination of using the technology to enhance the benefits to our environment and also use that technology to enhance the benefits to our municipal light departments is the combination that we are using to drive our Emerging Technologies initiative and get out in front ahead of the curve of the many changes that are happening in the market. An example of one of the most successful components of the program is our peak load forecasting and remote dispatch service for our members behind-the-meter generating assets. The purpose of those assets is to reduce load at peak periods during the day when power prices are very high and power consumption is in demand. This initiative allows us to use our peak forecasting technology to determine when peak load will be the highest during a specific hour of the day, coupled with technology that allows us to then remotely dispatch generating assets that are within our municipal light plant members' territories, allows us to reduce the amount of power that the municipal light plants have to buy and shift that power to peak periods of time for those members who also have combined batteries with some of their generating storage assets. Ideally, this is the combination of adopting technology and then applying it to market principles that allows us to reduce the power that our municipal light plant members consume, and then also reduces the cost to their own customers. This is one example of how we've been able to embrace the emerging technology and then apply it into the market given all the changes that are going on. This combination of being able to forecast peak load and remotely dispatch these type of generating units over this past summer has saved our members approximately $3 million in combination reduced transmission cost and reduced capacity costs. Another example of how we're adapting technology to not only reduce consumption of electricity, but at the same time reduce the cost to our light departments. It's the proverbial win-win. Our electric vehicle program is a growing program here at MMWEC. A number of our members have adopted it, and they've adopted it for two very good reasons. One, it does reduce the amount of carbon in the environment, as electric vehicles obviously do not emit any carbon. But secondly, and probably one of the biggest motivators why our municipal light plants have embraced this program, is a big feature of this program is that the municipal light departments make the investment into fast chargers, which are then installed into the homes of their customers. In return, the customers allow their charger to be controlled by MMWEC through a remote dispatching service, which prevents the charging of the car during high peak periods. Again, reducing transmission and capacity charges to the municipal light plant, and at the same time, adopting vehicle adoption. Also, moving the charging to times when that sale to the municipal light plant is very economically beneficial to them. By combining the environmental attributes of getting conventional cars off the road and EVs on the road, and providing additional economic benefits to the municipal light plant through the ability to regulate charging, has really made this program very popular within the MLPs and their customers, as it benefits both the system and the customers to achieve a common goal. Another impact our Emerging Technologies initiative has been focusing on is the growth of renewables into the power supply system up here in New England. More and more solar and wind are coming on as generating resources into the power mix. The intermittency of these resources is now requiring power generation assets, ones like MMWEC has traditionally provided, to become much more nimble. So our strategy is shifting where we are building smaller plants that can start faster and are designed to augment the times when the renewables may not be operating because we don't have sunshine or we don't have wind. Like the recent Boston Red Sox World Championship victories, MWEC's Emerging Technologies initiatives are a home run for their members and their customers.